Hey guys, just an update vlog right now. I'm using this small HD focus monitor for a long time, but suddenly died on me, and I really love it. I'm currently using the atomos shinobi. Yeah, this one here. I'm going to show you this one. So I'm using the shinobi up here, and let me just put it back. Now it's back. So I'm using the atomos shinobi as my LCD, and I kind of hate it and like it and hate it, because the thing is, the good thing about this LCD here is touchscreen. It's user friendly, and with regards to the colors, they're not warm, unlike that one I'm using right now. It's a bit warm. This one's not warm, but what I really love about this small HD focus is that, yeah, aside from you can touch it, you can go to the menus just like your phone. You can also set the intensity of the LUTs, or if you're going to put the color profile or lookup table, I forgot the name, it's LUTs. It's the one you put on your timeline to color your video. You can change the intensity with this one. So yeah, that's why I like this, but it died at me. So I tried to get the cheaper shinobi, which is that one. I like it because this one has a small, you have to use a proprietary, whatever that is, HDMI cable. It's a micro HDMI cable, and it easily gets ruined. It's so tiny, but it easily gets fucked up, or no, it easily breaks. So you can't use any other HDMI because they made a small entry here, and it sucks. But I'm trying out the shinobi because I think you can use any HDMI cable as long as you can convert it to your camera. My camera has a micro HDMI. It has a full HDMI to the monitor. The problem with this one here is that sometimes the cable is too heavy, so it's gonna mess up the video feed. I have a very long cable in front of me now, but I'm not gonna show you. So yeah, I really want to have this again. I'm just gonna test the shinobi, see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint. But yeah, initial test is that it's a bit warm, and I'm having problems looking for the best cable for it. But hopefully in the future I can get the cable. But for the warm, I'll see how it goes. I haven't tried filming myself and editing using that LCD, but it should be fine. Also, one more thing, I'm testing out this A6600. This very good battery life, good color science, good focusing. I'll try it in the next few days, and I'm gonna use it for vlogging. Hopefully I can have the 16 1.4 from Sigma. That way I can have a 24mm lens, just like what I'm using now. I'm using a 24mm on my A7 III. So I want to use something like that, or how do you call it? Maybe I can get the 10-18, the usual one, f4. The wide lens wearing for vlogging when I run around, but I'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm testing this one out. I have done a video regarding this one here, this relocator. Did some mods because I can't open this. Not focusing. I can't open this, so I did mods here. So hopefully that should be it. Anyway, that's it for now. Today's Saturday. Yeah. Hopefully tomorrow's better, but I'll be shooting a wedding tomorrow. Earlier today was Zia's birthday. First birthday of my inaanak. Went there, got some food. Thing is, I was carrying my paella, and suddenly the shells ripped the ziplock, and it fell to the floor. Yeah, it fell. I was a bit sad, but life. Anyway, that's it for now. See you tomorrow. Maybe vlogging tomorrow, I'm not sure, but we'll see how it goes.